Hello everyone and welcome back to my vlog. Here is Maria Atisa Manalo during the Miss Universe Philippines event with the official sun care part. Ang ganda talaga ni Atisa, no? Grabe. Her styling is very on point. Halos lahat ng sinusot niya bagay na bagay sa kanya, no? Ang galing talaga ng team niya. Good job! And her figure, oh grabe naman. Ang nipis niya ngayon. Ibang-iba na yung katawan niya compared before. Ang ganda oh, ang linis niya tingnan at mukhang ang bango-bango ni Atisa Manalo. Thank you so much for watching. For more pageant updates, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.